Good evening. My name is Jeremy Shines, and I'm beginning to plan. I'm going to start recording maybe a little bit here and there. The next film. So I have this idea. I have this script. Apologies. And see, I got my mic. I've got to do some tests right now with audio. I got to do some audio tests. And these tests to see if I can, because the last video I had to dub the audio, and I don't want to dub the audio in this one. I don't want to dub the audio on this one, so I'm gonna try to see what I can do to hopefully make sure we can capture some fresh audio, because directly from the camera, a lot of cameras, they just terrible audio. Natural audio just sucks bung. So you're gonna get some a little insight of what it takes to do stuff like this. So I gotta go through this, and I gotta start. Oh, all the files are deleted. All right. So catch me on the next video. Amen. God bless.